Well, ladies and gents, it's a latest purchase. I've paid me money for it, so if there was anything up with this, again, I'm thinking you're probably watching this because you want to Google it and find out what you're going to get for your money. It's titanium. All the weights will be down the bottom in the text section. Boundless Voyage, and I'm just super happy with this, to be perfectly honest. You get a lot of titanium for your money. It's very, very lightweight, as you say, and as you can see down the bottom, they've got the air holes at the bottom, and the air goes in and out there, and it's fierce on fire. Totally happy with this. Now, I've had a good few burns on this, and it's not warped to any great degree that I can see, and you would expect it to because they all do it. Comes with your two pot thingy bobs, but also this is a 2-for-1 special offer, ladies and gents, because you can put these in the side, and I'll put them in and then I'll show you. And it literally is light enough to carry about, even if you're just going to use it as a Trangia burner, because you can drop your Trangia in there and it does fit. Various sizes ones. I've never had a problem within your mind getting them in there. Right, ladies and gents, so it is a 2-for-1 special offer on that, and you've also got the grill plate on the top, and everything you see it comes with, like the 2 decent Cordura nylon bags. And what I like about the bag is it's big enough to get it in and out easier, and the stove part of that keeps it all a bit clean, goes in there, and then that slips in there. What you also get, and nobody else seems to want to be able to sell you, is a little mat, and it does work, heat proof mat. I'm told it's a welder's mat, just more than enough for your stove to go on. Now, any bad points about it, I haven't got one. Now, I don't want to date the film, but I paid 60 quid for this, or £61. AliExpress. I've since been told there's Boundless Voyage are selling it on Amazon, so that might be better for you to get in the UK, maybe a little bit more expensive. Mine only took 10 days to come. I must admit I was very surprised, but anyway, ladies and gents, that's my latest acquisition. You'll see me using that quite a bit. Again, I'm not going to go into the weights and the measures, and you see how big it is. All that'll be down in the text, but you get a lot of stove for your money. And I'll put some quick pictures in there of the thing burning and boiling up water and stuff like that, just to finish this, you know, the look-see. I'm not even doing a review. Let your eyes be your guide. I paid me money for this. I'm not on no kickback, so if there was something up with it, ladies and gents, I would certainly bring it out, because like you, I like to go on probably YouTube, and before I spend out my money, my hard-earned money, I want to see what I'm getting and any pros and any cons. But I've got nothing to say about that. All good, nothing bad, ladies and gents, and you'll be seeing me using that a lot. And already today we've had bruise on that and so forth. Burns down to really nothing, because it's got a good sort of rocket stove effect, air going in from the bottom, and it sort of yeah, just gets it done. Now, I mean, and that's it, ladies and gents. So yeah, on that, I'll leave it there. Let your eyes be your guide. I'll put some burn pictures in, or some film of it doing exactly what you want it to do. So take care. Alright, ladies, it's on the same day. There's my big pot there, but as you can see in there, especially with the air holes at the bottom and the air gap, there you go, straight in there at the bottom. Gives it a stable base, and you know, that is proper on it. And I've got literally zero things I've got to say about that burning. Just got it designed just right. It's only a crappy old bit of wood, and it's yeah, so I've got nothing bad to say about this, nothing bad at all. But yeah, there we go, ladies and gents. 60 odd quid. It's probably going to go up in price, so let's boom. And like I say, ladies and gents, it goes up as it comes down as quick as it goes up. And there's no dramas with that either. Got a little clip underneath there. Comes off. It folds up. That goes in there. That goes in there. fits in there nicely, no rattling about, and goes in your bag, and you just fold your little. I really like the little mat. That's just big quality as far as I'm concerned. And we've got a bit of extra space, ladies and gents, because you're looking. What I always do, I made up a little one. I like the tiny tins and that. Just a little fire kit in there, just exclusive to the stove. So wherever you got your stove, you've got a little fire kit and that as well. Always handy having a bit of tinder and a bit of fire kit in case you're going out there and everything else is soaking wet. But there you go, ladies and gents. Let your eyes be your guide. I'm very happy with that. Especially with a little fire kit in there. Carry a little spoon in there and that as well if you wanted to as well. But yeah, I'm probably glad I bought that.